I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I am coloring a rainbow. I am coloring a rainbow. I am cutting the paper. I am cutting the paper. I am folding my clothes. I am folding my clothes. I am opening the window. I am opening the window. I am closing the door. I am closing the door. I am carrying a heavy box. I am carrying a heavy box. I am lifting a chair. I am lifting a chair. I am pushing the shopping cart. I am pushing the shopping cart. I am pulling the suitcase. I am pulling the suitcase. I am throwing the ball. I am throwing the ball. I am catching the ball. I am catching the ball. I am kicking the soccer ball. I am kicking the soccer ball. I am picking up a toy. I am picking up a toy. I am putting down my backpack. I am putting down my backpack. I am holding a book. I am holding a book. I am dropping a pencil. I am dropping a pencil. I am giving my friend a flower. I am giving my friend a flower. I am receiving a gift. I am receiving a gift. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.